Welcome back to second lesson of SQL Server Reporting Service. In this tutorial or in this session, we will start by two definitions. The first one, what's meant by shared data source? It means the location of your information. It means like connection string. Where exactly my data source? Is it inside Microsoft SQL Server, inside on Oracle, inside on whatever data source? The second definition of this second lesson, shared data set. That means specific collections of columns and records that displayed in report. Maybe you will write directly SQL query or stored procedure to get or to fetch your data directly from your data source. Let's go directly to our VM and start by the first one by creating shared data source. My data source will be mainly using SQL Server. Here I created very basic database called it college, have two tables, student and department. So let's go back to our reporting service. Share the data source, right click, add new data source. Let's name it naming convention data source called it college. I will go with Microsoft SQL Server, and here's my connection string. Edit, very easy. I will go back to take my server name here from this part. That's my server name. Okay, and I will select my database. That will be mainly college, and I will test. Okay, test the connection succeeded. Okay, now I created my shared data source. Let's go to the second definition, shared data set. Right click, add new data set. My name data set for database college. Diamond, or always make sure that you are choosing very correct or very meaningful naming convention. Okay, data source. Okay, I know I have only one. Okay, and from here you can type directly SQL query, or you can go through stored procedure, whatever you want, or the most easy one is go through query designer. Including my query designer through this area, right click, add table. I will add both of them, or just start by the first one, student, to make it more easy. I will only take like student name and the student ID. It will be more meaningful if I add both of them. Departments. Okay, I have here student ID, student name, and department name. Inner join, it's fine. Okay. If yes, I want the first one to be student name directly and student and department name. That would be more nice. Okay, that's my SQL query, and go with okay. Now I finished. The last part in the second lesson, go to the add new report, add new item, choose report. Let's name it second lesson 2. Okay. Now I have my second lesson. Now I need here to have a table to, take or fetching data from SQL Server into my SQL Server reporting service. So I will go with my table, okay, and choose my data set and press OK. From here, you will choose the student name and choose department name. Okay. Delete columns, no need for this part. and finally go to preview to see our data. Now we have our data. Darwish computer science, Ahmed Samir is my instructor, computer science, Muhammad Ali, Ganzuri, Taha, all those people came from database, my database. If I go through my database and go directly to college, students, and here all my data. Okay. Also, you can export it to PDF as we discussed in the previous lesson, to Word, to Excel, whatever you want. Thank you so much and see you in next lesson. Bye bye.